We will do beautiful symmetry drawings now. Now we will do sleeping line symmetry and standing line symmetry. Sleeping line symmetry, standing line symmetry, diagonal symmetry. We should drop some ink and we should fold like that. We should do like a sock. We should open it will come in shape. One shape. Fold the paper. We should fold like that. Now this is a ink. We should take this spoon and some only we should take and we should throw. Now I will start. See. Thanks for watching our video. My name is Kaustabi Mani. In video, my name is Shekirka. Bye bye kids.